The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, power driver seat, front reading lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.